Hello everyone. Today I will show you how to change your email address and phone number in Millennium Bank online banking. First, open the Millennium Bank app on your phone. Then enter your login details. This will be your username and your password. Make sure they are correct so you can access your account. Once you are logged in, you will see the main dashboard. Look for the menu item that says Profile Settings or Personal Information. Click on this section. This is where you can change details that belong to your account. After you open your profile section, scroll down until you find the fields for your email address and phone number. First, tap or click on the email field. Delete the old email address and type in your new valid email address. Next, tap or click on the phone number field. Delete the old phone number and enter your new phone number. After you have entered your new email and new phone number, you will need to confirm the change. The bank will ask you to verify your identity. This may be done using a one-time password sent to your registered phone number. Enter the code exactly as you receive it. Once you have verified your new details, click on the Save or Submit button. Now, your email and phone number have been updated successfully. Thanks for watching.